Hello viewers, welcome back to Rajita Yadav YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the important topic, that is types of accounts. Mainly we have three types of accounts. They are personal account, real account, nominal account. Personal account is related to persons. Real account related to assets. Nominal account related to expenses, losses, incomes and gains. Now we will discuss in detail about the personal account. Personal account is divided into two types, natural person and artificial person. So natural persons are, for example, Raju, Srinu, etc. The second one is artificial person. Artificial persons are the persons are different from the company. For example, names of the company will see Sham and Co, Shashi and Limited. These names are comes under artificial persons. So this is personal account. The second one is real account. Real account we consider two types: intangible real accounts, tangible real accounts, intangible real accounts. So intangible real accounts, we can see and we can touch the assets. For example, cash, building, furniture, etc. Intangible real accounts do not have physical appearance. These are the examples of intangible real accounts: goodwill, patents, etc. And third account is nominal account. Nominal accounts, it deals with the incomes, gains and expenses and losses. Example, wages paid, rent paid, etc. These are the mainly three types of accounts. So we'll see the rules for these accounts. So first one is personal account. In personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Let us see one example. Issue checks to Rajita. It means what? The person is a receiver, so debit side. Rajita account debit to bank account. Being check issued to Rajita. This is the personal account. And the second one is real account. Real account means what? Debit, what comes in, credit, what goes out. Let us see one example. Purchase furniture for 5,000. So asset is comes in when we are purchasing and we pay the cash. So cash is goes out. So furniture account debit 5,000 to cash account credit 5,000. Being furniture purchased for cash. The last third account is nominal account. Debit expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains. Let us see example. Salary paid 15,000. So when we are paying salaries are the expenses. So debit side. Salaries account debit to cash account credit. 15,000, 15,000. Here the real account is also affected in this example. Cash is a real account. It is goes out. So credit side. So these are the three important golden rules. That is personal account, real account and nominal account. Thank you.